Stretch your arms, feet on the floor. A brand new day is at your door. Stand up tall, feel okay. Time to start your awesome day. Good morning, little hero. Wake up, 1, 2, 3. Today's full of magic. Come on, you will see. We wash, we eat, we pack, we go. Ready for school, let's start the show. To the bathroom, here we go. Little hero walking slow. Toothbrush, toothpaste, take your time. Brush, 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 make your smile shine. Up and down, round and round. Tiny bubbles make a sound. Wash your face, feel fresh and bright. Now you're shining in the light. Stand up tall, feel okay. Time to start your awesome day. Good morning, little hero. Wake up, 1, 2, 3. Today's full of magic. Come on, you will see. We wash, we eat, we pack, we go. Ready for school, let's start the show. Open up the closet door. Shirt and pants on the bedroom floor. Socks and shoes, tie them tight. Little hero looks just right. Comb your hair, nice and neat. Happy rhythm in your feet. Take your bag and don't be late. School is calling, it will be great. Stand up tall, feel okay. Time to start your awesome day. Good morning, little hero. Wake up, 1, 2, 3. Today's full of magic. Come on, you will see. We wash, we eat, we pack, we go. Ready for school, let's start the show. To the kitchen, follow your nose. Little hero, here it goes. Milk and bread, some fruit to chew. Breakfast gives you power to sit up straight, take your time. One more bite and you feel fine. Say thank you for the tasty food. Now you're in a super mood. Stand up tall, feel okay. Time to start your awesome day. Good morning, little hero. Wake up, 1, 2, 3. Today is full of magic. Come on, you will see. We wash, we eat, we pack, we go. Ready for school, let's start the show. Little hero, yes, that's you. Every morning, start brand new. Check this out.
Welcome to Mischievous Inventors!